So this is going to be a really nice, simple, easy, quick video. So I've got 3 sirloin steaks here. I've just used a binder, so I've used Worcestershire sauce covered in that, and then I've used Sure Shot Sid's gunpowder seasoning on everything, including bits of fat, sides and everything like that. So it's really easy. I don't really need to show you that as a video. But all I'm going to do is kind of like sear these on the Weber. The Weber is a fantastic barbecue to use. They are so well made. I just absolutely love it. I don't do my steaks on anything. So we've got a chimney worth of charcoal on here. It's screaming hot. The grate's in here as well, so that's going to be nice and hot. As soon as I put this on, you're going to hear it sizzle, and it's going to be amazing. Oh yeah. So we're just going to let these guys hang out really. Coals do their thing. I don't use briquettes, so this is lump charcoal. By far it's got the best flavour and there's no chemicals at all in it, so it's a really good thing to use. But steak, it's got to be my favourite thing ever, isn't it really? I love it. So we're just going to let them hang out, cook and do their thing. And I'll just keep nice and warm, so it's very good. See where you get that nice bit of smoke coming up? That's where the fat is starting to break down and melt into the coals, and then you get that beautiful smell coming up, and of course that's adding flavour to the steak as well. Happy days. Don't mind a bit of flame, but you don't want to burn the outsides of these. So we're going for medium today, which is about 130, but if it catches, well then that's the time just to give it a bit of a move. Still keeping it at the same angle, on the same sides. I want to try and get those griddle marks. It doesn't really matter, but it just looks nice, doesn't it? So this has got to be such a beautiful day. This is the perfect day to do barbecue. The smell of doing this as you're cooking it is amazing. So we're just going to bit of a peek. There we go, looking good. Let's pull this one back over. Not quite so hot there, so I moved that one over. So what I'm going to do today, like I say, is first of all pretty much cook these, so you're searing it outside, you get the caramelization there, you can see, which looks absolutely gorgeous and tastes amazing. But then when we come to the very, very end of this, I'm going to quickly chuck them in the coals, and that's called, you know, dirty. I don't know why, maybe they get dirty, I don't know, just sounds good to be honest. Good thing about these Webers as well is that if they're getting a bit too much heat, you can just move them around. Now, if somebody can tell me why it is that it doesn't matter where you stand, the smoke follows you, that would be amazing. I would probably want to know that. It doesn't matter where you are, the smoke's following you. Right, let's give these a turn over again. Moving the other way. Cut right in the eyes. Move over a bit. Like I say, you don't mind some flame, but you don't want to burn it. You're looking for like caramelization and to give all that nice bark on the top of it. Is it bark? Crust, for a better word. So that crust on the top, but you don't want to burn it. At the end of the day, you don't want to eat bitter. You know, if you burn it, it's charcoal and it's bitter. And you don't want that. You want that caramelization. So, time to chuck these in the coal, finish them off, getting a little bit dirty. Oh yeah, that's what you want. Yeah, they're looking good. Right, so when we're doing it dirty, just quickly grab the board. You're not really looking to cook these anymore. So literally all you're going to do is get a really final hard sear. Be careful not to catch yourself when you do that. Here we go. It's going to get pretty smoky, so I'm not sure how good this is going to turn up on camera, but literally I'm just looking to sear these. So you're only doing a few seconds each side, you're not doing a lot. Until this is pretty raging now, so that'll do. Last but not least. Okay, so that's it really. Really nice, simple, easy video to do. Please try it this way. They come out absolutely amazing. These are like my favourite way of having steaks, and every single time I do them for someone, they absolutely love them. So please give it a go. You've been watching Big Al's Barbecue. If you like this video, please like and subscribe it, and please check out my other videos on the channel. Until then, I'll catch you in the next video.